Hello everyone, this is Satyam and welcome to English by Satyam Sir YouTube channel. My dear friends, I hope you all are well, fit and fine and totally engaged in your studies with 100% dedication and commitment. My dear friends, in the last video, we finished the important phrasal verbs of give. Okay, my dear friends. So in this video, we are going to learn important phrasal verbs of keep. Okay, so these phrasal verbs are very important because there are many phrasal verbs, there are many phrasal verbs, but what we are learning only very important. Okay, so we are learning those phrases, those phrasal verbs that are likely to ask in the examination. Okay, so let's understand and try to keep the concepts in the mind. So the first phrasal verb of related keep is keep keep from. Keep from. So what means keep from? So my dear friends, keep from have two meanings. Keep from have keep from means abstain, from or control from, or control from means abstain from or control from means you restrain yourself from doing something. Okay, so abstain from. And keep yourself away from someone or something. Example is we should we should keep from fair weather friends. Fair weather friends. Fair weather friends. So my dear friends, fair weather friends, this is a idiom and it is asked in your examination, and it means friends who leaves you in lurch, means friends who left you in the time of help you. Okay, so when you need their help, so the friends are selfish friends who left, so that is called fair weather friends. So keep from means abstain from or control from. Second one is keep off. Keep off. Okay, let's understand the meaning of keep off. Keep off have two meanings. First one is maintain a distance. Maintain a distance. Maintain a distance. Okay, and the second one is not talk about. Not talk about. Not talk about. Okay, first meaning is maintain a distance. Okay, and second one is not talk about. Example is please keep off. Please keep off the wire. Please keep off the wire means please maintain a distance from the wire, otherwise you will get a shock. Okay, not talk about. Not talk about. He was forced. He was forced to keep off. He was forced to keep off means he was pressurized to not talk about anything to police. To police. To police. Okay, so keep off have two meanings. First one is maintain a distance and the second one is not talk about. Example is please keep off the wire and he was forced to keep off to police. Okay, so now we are moving to the third phrasal verb, and third one is keep on. keep on, keep on. Okay, keep on and keep, they gives similar meanings. Okay, and the meaning is, and first of all, they take, they take gerund after it, they take gerund after it, and its meaning is to continue, to continue to do something, to continue to do something. Okay, to continue to do something. Example is, example is, he kept on trying, he kept on trying, he kept on trying, or you can say he kept talking, he kept on talking, he kept on talking, or you can say, or you can say he kept talking, he, or you can say he kept talking, he kept talking, he kept talking. Okay, my dear friends, so these are the examples. I hope you have got this. Next one is 4. Phrasal number 4 is keep up, keep up. So let's understand the meaning of keep up. Keep up means maintain, maintain, or continue to do something. Okay, and this gives the similar meaning as keep up and keep on. Okay, so maintain or continue to do something, maintain or, maintain or continue to do something, as he was advised, he was advised to keep up, to keep up the good work, to keep up the good work, to keep up the good work. Okay, so he was advised to keep up the good work. Okay, my dear friends, so this is keep up. Now we are moving to the next. Phrasal number 5 is keep up with, keep up with, keep up with. Keep up with means stay aware of or informed about something, stay aware of, stay aware of or informed about something, or informed about something means what is going around the world or around you, it should be known to you. That is called keep up with. So keep up with means, example, newspapers, newspapers, newspapers keep up with, keep up with the, okay, newspapers keep up with the updated, updated events, updated events. Okay, so with the help of newspapers we keep up with means we try to know what is going around the world. Okay, the updated events, so keep up with. Next one is 6, and next one is keep in with, keep in with. Keep in with means remain, remain in good terms, remain in good terms with, with someone, with someone, or friendly, or be friendly to someone, or be friendly to someone. Okay, example, keep in with. Example, he was simply he was simply trying to he was simply trying to keep in with keep in with his friends keep in with his friends keep in with his friends. Okay, remain in good terms with someone or friendly. Okay, means keep in with matlab you are behaving friendly with someone or something. Try to be friendly. He was simply trying to keep in with his friends. Okay, so keep in with. Next phrasal verb is keep an eye on. Keep an eye on. Okay, keep an eye on. Let's understand the meaning of keep an eye on. Keep an eye on means watch carefully. Watch carefully. Okay, watch carefully. Keep an eye on means watch carefully. I asked I asked the students I asked the students to keep an eye on. Keep an eye on this important concept. This important concept. Okay, my dear friends. So keep eye on means watch carefully. Watch carefully. Next. Next phrasal verb is number 8. Keep down. Keep down. So what means keep down? Keep down means to control something and prevent it from increasing. To control something, to control something and prevent it from increasing. And prevent it from increasing. Okay, keep down. Example is we have to try to keep the cost down. We have to try to keep the cost down. Okay, so we need to reduce the keep cost down. Okay, next one is keep to. Next one is keep to. What means keep to? Keep to means stick to or follow something. Stick to or follow something. Follow something. Example, keep to. Okay, stick to or follow something. We are trying to keep to our schedule. We are trying to keep to our schedule. Simple. Okay, my dear friends. And the last phrasal verb is keep out of. Keep out of means not become involved in something. Not become not become involved in something, not become involved in something, keep out of. My my dad always keeps out of keeps out of arguments about politics. Okay, my dear friends, so here 10 fragile verbs of keep have been finished. I'm going to revise it quickly, so listen carefully. First, we learned keep from. Keep from means abstain from or control from. Keep off have two meanings. First one is maintain a distance, and second one is not talk about. Keep on, it means continue doing something. Okay, and keep up, maintain or continue to do something at the same speed. Keep up with means stay aware of or informed about something. Keep in with means remain in good terms with someone or friendly. Keep an eye on means watch carefully. Keep down means to control something and prevent it from increasing. Keep to means stick to follow something, and keep out of means not become involved in something. Okay, my dear friends. So this lecture is ended here. We will meet in the next video. Thank you very much.